Welcome! In this video, I'll show how you can change bands in Google Pixel Watch 3. So first we will need to release the bands from the display, which you can do by, holding your Pixel Watch like that. Then both straps have the release button on the opposite sides, as you can see. So you'll need to push in the button, keep it pushed down, and then rotate the band towards yourself or towards the release button. And once you start feeling the movement of the band, you can release the button and just slide the strap out. As simple as that. Then we'll do the same for the second band as well. So push down the button, then slide the band towards it, and once you feel that it started sliding or moving, the band you can slide it all the way out. Just like that. Now let's imagine that I have the set of replacement bands, so here they are. And in order to put the strap on or insert it, first of all, select the correct strap. Then you'll need to use the strap to push down the button, just like that, and try to carefully slide it in. It doesn't work always, so it may take some time for you to get a hang of it, but eventually you'll just be able to slide it all the way in. And once you slotted it all the way, that means that you can insert another band. So the strategy here, the philosophy behind it is the same. So push the band, or use the band to push the button in, and then carefully slide the entire band like that. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.